Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is AGRO-INTEL Agricultural Intelligence using IoT. So IoT web page, PHP, MySQL DB, HTTP, HTML, CSS, and SMS alert and email alert. So we are creating one web app. So pump, temperature sensor, humidity sensor, soil moisture sensor, and data. So whatever the cloud data, so temperature sensor. So it will show you the data, temperature data, humidity data, moisture data, and date and time. So power supply board, 5 volts, 0 to 9 volts adapter, and it sending the data to 5 volts power supply to the Arduino Uno R3. LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A0, and humidity sensor connected to the A1, and GPRS modem GSM SIM 800C connected to the RX TX 0 and 1, connected to the serial communication. It is sending the data to SMS alert and email alert, and LM16x2 LC display connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. SPDT relay and connected to the AC pump. Pump on off connected to the 7th pin. Alarm connected to the 6th pin. Moisture sensor LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A0. Humidity sensor connected to the A1. Soil moisture sensor connected to the A2. Okay, so now here web page. So 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and okay, so here we are using one GSM SIM 800C model we are using. You can use Idea GSM SIM 800C, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Okay, slowly. Okay, this is micro SIM card. Card should be always outside. So phone, okay, SIM card should be always outside. Press it, it will go inside, and press it, it will come outside. Press it. Okay, bridge rectifier, filter, capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, Arduino Uno R3 board, reset button, USB programming, LM35 temperature sensor, 16x2 LCD display, and a SPDT relay, and one AC pump, and the pump should be on and off. Okay, so it should be connected, and alarm, humidity sensor, and soil moisture sensor. Okay, so now let's power on AGRO-INTEL Agricultural Intelligence using IoT. GSM testing, echo, finding network found, ACG ATT. It is enabling the internet onto this SIM card. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Once the GPRS data is enabled, T for temperature, H for humidity, and M for moisture sensor. So T for temperature, H for humidity, M for moisture. So there is no relay on. LED should be off. Okay, green LED off. So after 5th count, it will send the data to server. Whatever the parameters are coming from the sensors, that data should be sending to server. So once 5 counts completed, there is no moisture at field. Okay, send completed. Action. So whatever the sensors data, it will come. Okay, T for temperature, H for humidity, M for moisture. Okay, now it is saying that field data dry, pump on. So relay LED on, pump is also on. Okay, now it is sending the SMS alert also. So field data dry condition, dry, motor on. Field data dry condition, motor on. Okay, send SMS, send. Okay, ping to website. Okay, here also pump it will pump should be on. It is connecting, getting the data. Okay, now it is collecting the data from the server. Now motor pump on, here also motor pump on. Okay, now I am going to increase the temperature. Now I am increasing the temperature. Your temperature is 49, temperature increasing. So once temperature is above 40, then it will send the SMS alert and email alert. Send completed. Now it will update the sensor data. Send completed. Send OK. Your temperature data is updated. So we will get the SMS alert. Okay, sending temperature alert. So whatever the previous temperature, we will get the temperature alert. Now I am going for the humidity alert. Now I am increasing the temperature through my mouth. Okay, temperature 45 above. Send completed. Okay, now it will update whatever the previous values, it will update onto the server. So temperature 39, humidity temperature 40, humidity 39. Okay, temperature 57, temperature 45 and above. Okay, second time it will come. Humidity. Okay, now it will update the data onto the server. Send completed. Action. Send OK. Now it will update the data. Okay, yeah, humidity 56, temperature 32, pump is on, that green LED is also on. So now I am going to continue the humidity sensor because we need to put into the water. Okay, so now I am closed loop the circuit. Okay, for testing purpose. So moisture 256. After fifth count, it will check 2 LED should be on moisture side. Yeah, power supply board, GSM module. So LM35 temperature sensor, Arduino Uno R3, 16x12 display, soil moisture sensor, 2 LEDs on. Okay, SPDT relay and pump on. Okay, so action. Send OK. Moisture 256, moisture 256, that LED should be off. Send SMS alert. So LED should also off, pump should also off. Pump off, field at wet, motor off. Temperature alert, humidity alert, we will get the moisture alert. Thank you. Okay, pump is also off. So every time it will continuously send the data to server and it will get the data to server, get the data okay. Motor is off. Here also it will show motor off. Yeah, success. Motor is also off. Temperature sensor and humidity sensor and moisture sensor. Thank you.